Ordering statements. Select statements from the navigational menu. We're going to be ordering CSV statements. Select or input your community. Browse for your CSV file. Export it from your software. Optionally, you can add a description to your order. Statement options. You have the option for blue paper or white coupon stock. And the statements can be printed in either black print or full color ink. Underneath of there, you have the opportunity to include additional documents to be sent alongside of your statements. This would be a generic insert. Same one will go for every single statement you have in your order. Next, you have the opportunity to include remits with your order. And we have our outer envelope messaging. This is the number 10 envelope that will arrive in your homeowner's mailbox. Click the next button. Digital delivery. Invitation to accept the invitations or to not include invitations on your statements. Review and submit. On this page, you do have the opportunity to include an additional proof recipient and your opportunity to include special instructions. Submitting your order is not approving your order for mailing and production. It's simply moving it to the review process.